bad hook this up, man. You gotta do this.
I don't want to like slice in your stuff like that's sketch.
What?
I don't want to splice into anything because that's sketch.
What about it is sketch?
Just
doing it in general?
Yeah. Because it's your taillights and that's something that's important.
That is true. You know it does get power?
Huh. Your sub?
For speakers. This is the sub wiring, huh? Oh, that's what Nah. Remember how I told you that I couldn't hook up the sub because I broke the wiring, right?
Yeah.
And I had to replug it back into there.
Into what?
Into the, what's it called? Behind the stereo. It's right there. So my sub could have been working the whole time. If I was paying more attention. I don't need to. I have my separate sub right there. Remember the amp? The 15 and the 12. All the wires still here except for this. I have extra of this somewhere. Oops. Oops. I have extra of those wires somewhere.
Is this the ground or the
Ground. Black one's ground, the red one's power. And
I can't tell the difference in the colors. Look, this one says power wire. Do you have electrical tape here?
yeah.
Fat ass power wire.
Want me to get it?
What?
The electrical tape?
Sure.
Here you go. Wow, it works.
But it has. Where's the things? Do you still have the keys?
No, that's until the battery, so that's why it's constant power.
See? That's why I was trying to avoid that.
Because that could kill my battery, huh?
Yeah. I want to know what this fucking white one's for. Like, what purpose do you have? I think this is what controls the pulse.
I don't know, maybe it says it on here.
Oh, yeah, this is the pulse thing.
I want that one though, huh?
Oh, this probably hooks up to a controller, and every time I touch it, it changes.
That probably was mixed. Oh, yeah.
Now it won't stop. Alright, go in and turn the lights on.
I'm tripping over everything.
Oh, this one's a brake light, isn't it?
Yeah. Why is it on?
Oh wait, no. It's just because it's not.
works. Is the light still on?
Then we don't have to splice it.
So now we just gotta fish it through my actual bumper.
I don't know how to make it stop pulsing.
I like it pulsing.
You do?
Yeah.
Alright, slide me some electrical tape.
It looks dope when it's pulsing. Wait, don't tape it yet.
Why?
Because we still gotta get the license plate.
No, I'm
cover out
taping
here.
it into this. Look.
Oh, okay, you're good. Never mind. I'm tripping.
I'm good.
I'm tripping.
I'm gonna tell you the same thing I tell literally everyone.
I'm tripping.
Let me do my thing.
Okay.
Let me do my thing. I have to tell it to my sister all the time. Like,
Well,
I'll be moving a bookshelf or something. She comes over and she gets in the way trying to help me. I'm like, chill. Let me do my thing.
But if I let you do your thing, then we would have been hooking up to the battery in the front.
Well, that's different. I mean, like, because that was just a location thing. I should hold it in place. Just so it's in there. Wait, go turn your lights off and let's make sure it turns off.
You're right. Alright, tell me when it's illuminated so I can turn it off so you can see it go off.
Just go, because it won't turn back on if it's... Yep.
It's good. It's lit. It's lit. Because it's lit. It's lit.
Alright, so now...
Rice or nice?
Now we just need to figure out where to mount everything.
Turn off all power. Oops. Of
course it is. You can tighten it while the taillight's out. Yeah, Phillips.
A Phillips? Yes, I do.
Way to break the fucking light.
Oh, I'm gonna move that somewhere else.
What the shit?
What?
The bitch just fell over. Oh. I was trying to make it so that I could go this way.
Should I do this side too or no? Nah, this side's pretty tight. Good enough.
Fuck this bitch ass wiring. Fucking lick your butt.
Hey neighbor. Hey. I don't know you, but hi. Sound like my door. Oh, I'm in your door. Hey neighbor.
You sound like my door.
You good, bro?
Wait, go turn it on, make sure it's working again. With everything.
Hey, bro. Oddly.
Hmm?
I said oddly looks like Drake.
Yeah.
I need a one dance. Good?
I'm not fucking turning it on now.
What?
I'm not turning it on now. I think I got the wires on the wrong side. Wait. Don't.
Turn it back on?
No. Why didn't you wait for my answer? I had the wires in my hands.
Tell me when.
Okay, just wait there. That's why I said wait.
I'm waiting.
Even let me slash.
Great.
Alright, turn it on. What the fuck?
It's not working now?
No.
Is the tail light still plugged in?
Yeah. The taillight's turning on.
What did we do wrong in that process?
I didn't do nothing wrong. Probably because you kicked the bitch.
I didn't kick it, I dropped a screwdriver on it. There's a difference.
You did both. You tripped over it. Or was that the
That
cover?
was the cover, the packaging.
Okay, why is this shit not turning on? That's what I want to know.
Yeah?
Hey, My name's Steve. I live next door. Hey, y'all got a floor jack? Because my fuel fucking filter just went out on my truck. I gotta change it.
You got jocks?
Yeah.
I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing, but I mean, fuck it. It went out, so what more harm could I do to the truck, right?
That's true.
Thanks. I'm sorry for the Niner fan, bro.
Oh, that's my dad.
Sorry for him then.
My fob is broken.
Yeah, it's just a little loose.
Told you.
Yeah, man, I'm shit. I don't be having no tools like that.
Where's the tape?
Let's go down.
I shouldn't have put it somewhere because I knew I was going to lose it.
Pick up your tickets for only $20 at KSFM.com for charge free one day with cash at any Temple Records location. Downtown Showdown with Hornitos. Who reminds you to drink responsibly. Find out more at KSFM.com.
Every time it goes back, I'm like, oh fuck, did it just turn off?
Yeah, I know. I was looking at it too. I was like, maybe it's a disconnect.
I'm out searching for clues in the abandoned toy factory near the cemetery. As I make
Hold it,
my
or
way
actually
down
plug
to
it
the
in?
basement,
Hold it.
I can't help but feel like I'm being followed. Did that doll just move?
Wait,
Who's there?
god damn it. I forgot we
I
gotta.
should really get a treadmill.
Are we gonna go under or are you just gonna have the wires
Go
out?
to audible.com.
I was just thinking the same thing. I looked at it. I was like, we're gonna see wires.
Stories that surround you.
When I listen to Audible, I'm not cooking dinner for one.
Let me do my thing.
Galloping across the Scottish moors towards my one
Take your bumper
true
off.
love.
I was just
There
about to
through
say.
the mist I see my beloved.
Gotta go underneath the
flapping
bumper.
in the breeze. The fibers of his shirt.
I've been here all day. Oh, that's on video shit.
These can't come off, can they? The washers. That sounds
Did you
like-
hear that?
Yeah, it sounds like. I don't know what that sounds like. That might be the filter. That might be.
Fuck, now I wanna know, but I don't know. Spend a lot of time on it.
If you want me.
I mean,